श्रीकामकोटि शिवलोचनशोषितस्य शृङ्गारबीजविभवस्य पुनः प्ररोहे प्रेमाम्भसार्द्रमचिरात् प्रचुरेण शङ्के केदारमम्ब तव केवलदृष्टिपातम्. श्रीकामकोटि is a compound word. शिवलोचनशोषितस्य is a compound word. शृङ्गारबीजविभवस्य is a compound word. Vibhava bhas mahapranah. Punaha visarga changes to upadhmaniya. Prarohe. Punah prarohe because of sandhi. Shrikamakoti Shivalochana Shoshitasya Shringara Bija Vibhavasya Punah prarohe. Premambhasardram is a compound word. Ambhas bhas mahapranah. Achirat. So premambhasardram achirat. Prachurena Shanke Kedaram Amba Kedaramamba Tava Kevala Drishtipatam is a compound word. Premambhasardram achirat Prachurena Shanke Kedaramamba Tava Kevala Drishtipatam. Shrikamakoti Shivalochana Shoshitasya Shringarabijavibhavasya Punah Prarohe Premambhasardramachirat Prachurena Shanke Kedaramamba Tava Kevala Drishtipatam. Mahatmya Shevadhirasau Tava Durvilanghya Samsara Vindhyagiri Kunthana Keli Chunchuhu Dhairyam Budhim Pashupatesh Chuluki Karoti Kamakshi Vikshana Vijrambhana Kumbha Janma. Mahatmya Shevadhihi is a compound word. Dhamaha pranaha visarga changes to repha asau. Mahatmya Shevadhirasau because of sandhi. Tava Durvilanghya Samsara Vindhyagiri Kunthana Keli Chunchuhu. All together is a compound word. Durvilanghya Samsara Vindhyagiri Kunthana Keli Chunchuhu. Durvilanghya ghas mahapranaha. Vindhya dhamaha pranaha. Kunthana dhamaha pranaha. Mahatmya Shevadhirasau Tava Durvilanghya Samsara Vindhyagiri Kunthana Keli Chunchuhu. Dhairyam Budhim is a compound word. Bodhasamaha pranaha. Pashupatehe is a compound word. Visarga changes to shu there. Chuluki Karoti is a compound word. Pashupatesh Chuluki Karoti because of sandhi. Kamakshi Vikshana Vijrambhana Kumbha Janma is a compound word. Vijrambhana and Kumbha both bhasamaha pranaha. Dhairyam Budhim Pashupatesh Chuluki Karoti Kamakshi Vikshana Vijrambhana Kumbha Janma. Mahatmya Shevadhirasau Tava Durvilanghya Samsara Vindhyagiri Kunthana Keli Chunchuhu Dhairyam Budhim Pashupatesh Chuluki Karoti Kamakshi Vikshana Vijrambhana Kumbha Janma.